Can the U.S. government communicate or coordinate with social media companies? Well, according to a recent federal judge's ruling, no, because that judge says it's contributing to the stifling of conservative voices online. But today, the Department of Justice said, we'll see about that. The DOJ just filed this appeal to the Fifth Circuit, saying the judge's temporary injunction is overly broad and unnecessary and needs to be revoked while the case plays out. DOJ says this temporary injunction could chill their law enforcement efforts to protect national security interests. And more importantly, the appeal said the Republican-led states that filed the original lawsuit didn't prove that anyone's voice or First Amendment rights were violated by the government and its communication with social media companies. The Justice Department says it's willing to take this issue all the way to the Supreme Court if it has to. Now, in case you missed it, I told you in this video, a federal judge issued this temporary injunction blocking the federal government from coordinating or even communicating with social media companies when it comes to protected speech issues. That temporary injunction stops all kinds of federal agencies, departments, and individuals from communicating with, emailing, or coordinating with any social media company. Now, the original lawsuit was filed by two attorneys general from Louisiana and Missouri who went after the federal government, saying government officials created a censorship enterprise to control speech on social media by encouraging companies to address posts or take down posts that would be considered election or health misinformation. Now, because of the judge's ruling last week, the State Department had to cancel its meeting about the upcoming 2024 presidential election with Meta. So we'll have to see how the Fifth Circuit Court rules.